Studying is not something which everyone enjoys. Many consider it to be a boring task as it is done without interest and is more like an obligation on them. We constantly hear people saying that they feel sleepy while studying, especially during exams when we have limited time and a lot to study. Can we afford losing that time by sleeping unnecessarily? What can be done to avoid that? Well, this was what they did earlier, but you need not do the same. Here are a few things which you can do to avoid feeling sleepy. Firstly, many of us immediately sit for studying after a lunch or a dinner. During this time, our stomach is full and the process of digestion causes a temporary shortage of blood and nutrients in the brain. This results in us feeling drowsy, so avoid heavy meals. You may even take a nap in the afternoon post-lunch if needed. Sleepiness can be associated with the position and the place you choose to study. If we talk about the place first, the room should be well lit and ventilated that it does not give you a dull feeling. Many students sit or lie on the bed to study and feel sleepy. That's because your brain knows that it's the place for you to sleep. So choose a place like a table or any other place which does not give you a very cozy feeling. Now talking about the position, try to sit straight and let your body make an attempt to be active. Don't sit in the same position for too long. Try to move a bit. You may walk and study for a few minutes if you are comfortable doing that and only if it doesn't strain your eyes. If you're tired sitting for a long time and studying continuously, you may do the revision work by explaining answers like you're a teacher. Your body will be in motion and your mind will be attentive too as you're making an effort to teach. Like I have been saying, make various subject combinations. Like study any theory subject in the morning when you're fresh and study the practical subject or solve math problems in the afternoon as it requires more attention and you won't feel sleepy. In short, don't make studying a monotonous process. One more thing which you can do is, instead of staring at the book and reading it in your mind, you may read out loud. Also while reading, mark important points, highlight words, make flowcharts. Again here, your body and mind are taking equal efforts. This technique will also help you to remember the answers during exams. Many of us keep a bottle of water in our room or close by to drink water. Drinking water and keeping yourself hydrated is important, but let the bottle be there in the kitchen or inside the refrigerator. When you're tired, get up from your table, go and drink the water. Rinse your face with water if needed, just take one round, do some stretching, and here you are again fresh. I won't suggest you to drink tea or coffee at regular intervals as they are very addictive, though a cup or two in a day is fine. Getting a good sleep is equally important. I won't suggest you to take a good 8 to 9 hours sleep, but you can afford a minimum of 6 to 7 hours sleep. But if you are extremely tired and sleepy, then stop studying for a while, take a nap. Your body and mind needs that rest, and when you'll wake up, you will be all refreshed. Also, keep a consistent wake-up time so that even your biological clock is in sync with it. Avoid any distractions and be determined to study. Motivate yourself. Remind yourself of the target you want to achieve, and on completing that, you may even reward yourself. Friends, all I want you to understand is that be mentally and physically attentive. Stay healthy and fit. Be confident. Tell yourself you have to and will achieve the set target. So on that positive note, here we end our session. I hope these general tips were helpful to you. You may choose the one which best suits you. So we wish you good luck. You may now get the access to all our best-selling courses online or in the form of DVDs and pen drives from different platforms. So please check the link given below in the description. Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Let's Do It.